Donatos Aphael serves as a captain of the Blood Angels during the era Indomitus. As Master of the Watch and captain of the Second Company of the Blood Angels chapter, Donatos has proven to be a commander pure of mind and noble in bearing. Known as the Blooded, the Second Company among all the ranks of the chapter has the least instances of succumbing to the gene flaw of the Black Rage, in large part due to the leadership of Aphael. Earning commendations and battle honors aplenty during his tenure as captain, Donatos has survived seemingly impossible odds countless times. Despite his noble visage, Aphael harbors great suffering and torment within his soul as he struggles to contain the Red Thirst during every battle he wages. Charging into the thick of battle to sate his bloodlust, Donatos drags his sanity from the brink of madness with each skirmish. Each instance of his surrender to his own thirst proving more difficult to return from, Donatos must face his inner demons with care, should he not wish to surrender completely to his cravings. Favored by Lord Commander Dante as among his most reliable companies, the Blooded are deployed to war zones of crucial importance. Repelling the invasion force of the Tau Empire during the Battle of the Grimok Sector, the Blooded fought a guerrilla war of ambushes to cull the ranks of the expansionist Xenos upstarts. Believing Aphael's forces to be in excess of their actual size, the Tau committed 5 months of campaigning in vain in their attempt to best the Blood Angels until realizing their losses to be unsustainable and retreated from the sector. Harboring an intense hatred for the Necron species during his cooperative campaign alongside the Astral Knights chapter of Astartes, their victory against the world engine of the Neocares dynasty was paid for with the valiant sacrifice of the Sons of Rogel Dawn. Demanding that a monument be made in their name for their service to the Imperium, Aphael would not allow for the chapter's extinction to be unremembered, nor their sacrifice to be unrecorded. Valuing the lives of every one of his men under his command, whether they be Astartes, labor serfs, or even Mechanicus cyborgs, Donatos fights to preserve the dutiful subjects who pledge to serve the Master of Mankind and the legacy of the Great Angel. Charismatic, capable, and compassionate to the extreme, Donatos exemplifies the most noble characteristics of the Space Marine creed. A gifted orator and savant of martial skill, despite his thirst for blood in battle, Aphael's more than century-long service to the Blood Angels chapter is revered throughout the Imperium. Humble in his analysis that whilst personal heroism is often crucial to victories in combat, Donatos regardless champions the might of well-equipped, trained, and unified soldiers. Overseeing every aspect of the Battle Brothers under his charge, Donatos ensures that both their spiritual and martial needs are met to prevent their enticement to their gene curse. Believing that should he perish in battle, any number of his subordinates are capable of replacing him, Aphael's trust and confidence in his men is ironclad. Armed with the Blade of the Blooded and wearing the Blooded tabard upon his Artificer power armor, Donatos Aphael's visage alone inspires hope in the eyes of any beleaguered Imperial subjects who look upon him. Present during the Battle of Idolatros during the Arcs of Omen campaign, Donatos relieved Lord Commander Dante of command due to his injury at the hands of the returned demon Primarch, Angron, and prevented further casualties from being incurred. His service to this day, resolutely upholding the values of the Blood Angels, and his pursuit to embody the example of Sanguinius.